Hey everyone, let's talk about Stellar XLM, a blockchain project that's been around for a while but still sparks debate. We've used it for multiple cross-border transfers, and we have to admit, it's lightning fast and impressively cheap. The main pro is its mission, connecting financial institutions and individuals through low-free, high-speed transactions. It's efficient, eco-friendly, and designed for accessibility. Transactions cost fractions of a cent, and settlement takes seconds. But here's a trade-off. While the tech is solid, adoption and price growth have lagged behind competitors like Ripple or Ethereum. The Stellar Foundation has also faced questions about centralization since a large portion of tokens remain in their control. Another risk, low liquidity in smaller exchanges and inconsistent project marketing. Still, the Stellar ecosystem is expanding, and we like that it focuses on real-world use cases, especially for developing markets. It's not a coin we'd trade daily, but it's one we'd hold for its long-term utility. If you value speed, sustainability, and fairness, XLM is worth your attention, but don't expect overnight gains. It's more of a long-term infrastructure play than a moonshoot coin. For us, it's a keeper for utility, not speculation. This has been How to Literally Be Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.